To work a simple double crochet two together decrease, we're going to insert our hook into the first stitch we're working into, yarn round and pull up so we have 2 loops on our hook, and then instead of finishing the double crochet there like normal, you're going to insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn round and draw up again, and here you've got 1, 2, 3, yarn round and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And I'll show you again. So into the first stitch, yarn round, pull up 1, into the next stitch, yarn round, pull up 2, and then you yarn round and draw through all 3. And that's how you work a simple double crochet two together.